How to remove guests from TikTok Live. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Then tap on the plus icon and you want to select live and then go live first. Once you're live, you can invite guests to join your TikTok live. For that, you want to tap on the multi-guest button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then tap on invite and select other creators or friends to join as guests. Tap accept to approve friends or viewers' request to join your live. Once you have added the guest on your TikTok live, if you want to remove guest from your TikTok live, on the live screen, tap on the X button next to the guest you'd like to remove, then tap End Now to confirm, or you can tap on the multi-guest button at the bottom of your screen, tap the X button next to guest you'd like to remove, then you can go to guest profile from here and tap on the disconnect button. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.